In this video, I am going to show you how to set up ads on your Instagram account. Now, if you have been trying to set up ads on Instagram, you have to understand that you can use two different ways in setting up your ads on Instagram. That is, using the Facebook Ads Manager, which is your laptop, and using your Meta Business Suite or that of your Instagram application itself to set up your Instagram ads, which that is the mobile version. Now, whichever way you want to use in creating these ads, I'm going to show you the two tutorial on this one video right fully. Now, whichever method you want to use, they are very good. They are very good. But on the more professional level, it is advisable to use that of the Facebook Ads Manager, which entails you connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook page, then logging into the Facebook Ads Manager to create your Instagram ads. There you are going to have many more features like more targeting options, more different kind of retargeting options, and so much more like that. Unlike that of the phone, which you have interest targeting, behavior targeting, and location targeting, right? If you need help with Instagram ads payment method or Facebook payment method, YouTube ads, Google ads, just chat this number you see on the screen and we can be able to solve your problem, right? We chat one-on-one on WhatsApp, we solve your problem. You're trying to run ads using your mobile phone, to use this button you can see here, click on this picture right now and you can be able to go to the full tutorial. If you are trying to use your laptop or you want to create it on a more professional way, use this video you see here and click on it. Anyone you wish, just click on that picture you see on the screen, click on the video, and you'll be able to watch the full tutorial on my same YouTube channel. Do you understand? So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. I will see you on the next video, and bye for now.